Hi, my name is Per. I teach multimedia design at the Business Academy in Aarhus. This is my Corona diaries. It's a diary, a video log that I made during the pandemic season in 2020, and today is March the 24th. What can I tell about a day like this? Well, we have had several meetings with students in classes. We meet online, and since we have projects running, there are tons of questions and things that you want to learn. Now and then I get a question about code and how to do it. And since I cannot sit down and demonstrate things, I have to do it in another way. So I have made certain videos and uploaded them on my multimedia designer channel so that they will be ready. And here you see a short example from one of those videos. It's very fresh. I made it today. And it's all about CSS Grid design. Of course, what we do now is quite time consuming. Doing videos every day or participating in conferences online is time consuming, and we have at least the same amount of work that we had before. We also meet a lot of challenges. For instance, by now our third semester students would go out and visit companies and have interviews in order to get an internship. Obviously, that's not easy right now. So here we also have to come up with alternatives, and I'm sure that my students are very creative, so probably they will create nice online portfolios, and I hope that the businesses then will be able to meet them in online interviews somehow. But these samples also show that we face many new challenges, and yes, it's a very interesting time. So even though we are at home and we cannot go to work and the schools are closed down, we have a working day like an ordinary 8 to 4 thing. Thank you for watching Per's video diary. This was March 24th. Actually, yesterday we were told that the period will be extended till after Easter. So we will continue our efforts to teach online. So let's see what the future will bring. Never miss the next issue of this program. You can go below here and click like, and you can also click subscribe. If you subscribe, you will never miss an issue of Per's video diaries. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.